Hi guys, welcome to our second video of the Computer Lab session. In this video, we're going to introduce you some utility functions that can help us to read the data file into R and then explore the data and then eventually transform the data if it is necessary. So let's start by opening the script we wrote for the Computer Lab session. It is called, you can move your mouse to File tab and then Open File and open the CLS1-EF3450_1.R, and then you'll see the script. The first command is to remove all the existing objects in the global environment, but since there's none, so we're not going to run it. And as if you follow us from the first video, the working directory is already set to desktop, so it could be one, but you will change nothing. And if we check our working directory, is there, so I think it's alright to we're on the set to move on. So before we run this line, I would like to show you the documentations for the read.csv. So we use read.csv to read any CSV type files into R, but when you type question mark the function name, you will actually open the documentations, and if you simply type the function name, it's only going to show you the source code of the functions. As you can see that read.csv is simply a wrapper function of the read.table with some certain preset default argument values. The only two things that you need to beware for currently is the file arguments and also the string as vector arguments. The first argument is simply providing the name of the file, the name of CSV files that you want to load into R, and we would like to set a string as vectors equals to false, because otherwise, because by default it's going to be true, but if we allow the default values and if the CSV file contains character data, it's going to be automatically read as factors, which is not desired. We would like to keep it as character, and then it's more easy for us to transform it later on. So let's if you are really interested, you can check there are some descriptions of the function arguments, and also some examples below that you could try it yourself later on. So now let's read the data into R. As you can see, when we send this line to console, we create an object called ds_cls_1. This data set has 4,383 observations and 6 variables, and but it's not enough, right? We would like to know more about this data frame. So we can use stir functions, which give us which completely display the object itself. We can see that it is a data frame object. It has 4,383 rows and 6 columns. These are the column names, and these are the column types. They are not necessarily the same. So there are some missing values, at least for the first few values of the price of the IBN. they are all NA, and we don't know that like whether there are any NAs missing values from other column as well. And we also need to change the date type from character to date type to date type. So these are something that we need to do. In case you would like to, because the stir function just give us the first few value of the of each column of each elements. So we can use head and tail to display more. For example, if you want to show to show the first 5 row and the last 10 row of the data frame, then you can use head or tail functions. Yeah, that's